Hey there, this is Siddhesh. I hope you are doing good. In this video, I'm going to talk about social media marketing because, as we know, social media marketing is the backbone right now. If your business or your brand, it could be like personal brand or it could be like company's brand. If you are not on social media, you are means what are you doing? So, because that's the way we connect with the people, and now everybody is using their phone. Everybody is spending time on their phone. So that's one of the most important thing. You should be there. So let me share my screen and let me tell you how it works. We are starting with the basics, and as time goes, we'll be going into the deeper things. So in the first video, I'll start with the basics and how it works and what it is actually. So stick with me with this series, and you will get to know about actually what the thing social media marketing is. So let me share my screen. Yes, just a second. Yeah, I hope you are able to see my screen. Yes. So what do you think? What is social media marketing? Means what it is. So there's one definition of social media marketing. Social media marketing is the use of social media platforms to connect with your audience. Means see, what are the social media platforms? Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, or even LinkedIn are all these are social media platforms. And these social media platforms are free, right? Means we don't pay for Facebook, we don't pay for Instagram to use it, right? We don't pay for LinkedIn. Maybe they have some like paid plans, but we basically use like free. We basically use it for free, and that's how these platforms have billions of users. We are able to use these platforms for free, and that's why it has billions and billions of users. Means even Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and everything, every social media platform has billions of followers. And what is actually social media marketing? So these followers or these peoples, what we can do, we can use these peoples to build a brand, right? Means see, there are many brands in the social media. There are many international brands, or there are many national brands. So it helps to increase sales. Means these people, if we create our account in the social media platform like Instagram, LinkedIn, or Facebook, and if we start posting content or we start advertising, we can able to connect with the audience, and it has a billions of audience. So we can definitely target our set of audience, and we can definitely connect with them, and that is how it works. So the first thing what we can do using this social media platform is build a brand. We can able to build a brand, we can increase sales, and that's how most of the billion-dollar companies are earning their profits, because they are able to market them on these social media platforms, get traffic. Some people needs traffic, some website need traffic to generate their income, or to like market affiliate products. They are linked on their website, so that is also one of the options. And get leads, this is the most important. And we as a social eureka agency, we also focus on getting leads, and we also help local businesses or other businesses to get like hundreds and hundreds of leads each and every customer, because sales cycle starts from the lead. So these are few things we can do. So let me explain you benefits of social media platform. Now you learn, right? Now you learn everything about what is social media and why we do it, and why it is important for us. So let me dig deeper, and let me show you why it is important and what are the benefits of social media platform. So this is a quick illustration that I have created. So see, there are many benefits, but I have just found major benefits, so that you can get the idea that what I want to tell you, or what point I want to convey you. So first thing, as we discussed, it has billions of user, it has billions of user base. So that's the first thing. Second thing, it helps create brand recognition. If you buy any product, and if you are following them on social media platform, then it resonates. It helps you to remember his brand. And definitely, like coming back to the second third point, it whenever you are following them, you build authority, and it helps to build a trust in between both brands and you. So definitely, once you buy any product, and you follow their social media account, so you able to share their content, you able to engage with their content, and it builds robust trust, and business runs on a trust, right? So, and one more important thing, what it does, means see, it tells brand story. Means if you have a brand, like if you have a company, like it could be like pest control company, or it could be like HVAC company, or if you have a toy shop, let's suppose if you have a toy shop in a town, and you have a social media account. On social media account, you can tell your story. that like in this is a family business, my like grandfather own it, and then it transferred to my father, and I am now like handling this business. So it's like 100 years old business, and I'm managing it, and it has a story. You can tell the story to your people. So that's how people can relate to you, because people don't love to buy any product. They love to hear stories, because from the childhood we used to hear stories, and we like them, right? And that's how we fell in love with the brands. So you can tell your brand story. And then the second last point is increase sales. Definitely, when once you able to see first four benefits, you can definitely going to increase your sales. And once sales is increased, then definitely why the social media platform are more popular, means there is one important and the one most useful reason, that is insights. Even on the Instagram, if you post anything, you can able to see how many people liked it, how many people have commented on it. And that's not it, you can able to see how many people visited your website. And there is one option to put the link in the bio. Once you have a website, you can put that link in your bio, so people can able to click on that link, and they can able to redirect. They'll be able to redirect on your website. So if you have a toy shop online, they'll purchase few toys. If you have any other, if you have any like pest control business or any HVAC business, they'll book an appointment on the website. So it has tremendous effect on our business. So definitely you should have a social media marketing presence. And definitely that's a video about the general. But in the next video we'll talk about, means what are the ways. There are organic method and there is a paid method. And we as in social eureka, we are expert in paid methods. Paid methods are useful because in a in the span of 1 or 2 weeks you can able to see the results. But in the organic method, it takes time. It takes about 3 to 6 months to grow your customer base naturally. And what is the best method, if I would recommend, is try combination of both. Even post on organically, and even try paid methods. So we'll talk about it in the next video. So I hope you like my video. If you like, don't forget to just like and drop your valuable comment, because definitely I would love to read them and I would love to interact with you. So till then, stay happy, and don't forget to follow me and stay happy, man. Yes, thanks a lot.